Hello students, we are here to show you how to schedule a meeting with your teacher. So if your teacher has set this up in your Canvas course, there are different ways where you can set up a meeting. Perhaps your teacher has set it up over here on the left navigation where it says appointments. So we can simply click on appointments and it will bring us to this screen right here. If you don't have that, your teacher may have also embedded it inside of your home page here. There might be a button, or right here this teacher put a link. It says schedule online. If I click on that, it brings me to the exact same place. So however your teacher has instructed you to access this, go ahead and follow those directions. And here we are on the page where we will schedule our meeting. So at the very top, you have different choices. Some teachers maybe only have one, but maybe your teacher has one for parent conferences. Maybe they have one for office hours to meet with you. They might have one for homework or for tutoring. Make sure you choose the correct one, because if you don't, you notice that there's nothing that you can schedule here until you tell us what it is that you want to schedule. So let's say you have, you're asking for some support. Maybe it's office hours with your teacher. We'll just pretend that's what this says right here. So if I click on that, I can see that there are some dates that have turned black, and those dates have open appointments. So if you click on one that's gray, there's nothing there. So you simply choose the one you want. Click on the time that you want. So down here at the bottom, you have to enter your personal information. So go ahead and enter your name. You need to provide an email address. So you can use your username at hlpnet.net, which is your school email, or you can use the personal email address, whatever you prefer. You can even add your phone number. And if you do provide your phone number, down here it's asking you if you want to get a text message to confirm this. And if you do add your phone number, you can also get a confirmation reminder in your text message, which is why this is checked off. If you don't want to get a text message for that, you can simply turn that off and then leave your phone number there, maybe if you want your teacher to have it, or you could turn it back on. It's up to you. Right here, it might ask you for the reason for your meeting. So if you're asking for help on homework, you would put that here. If you're having technical issues, you would put that here. So whatever it's asking for, go ahead and put in your information. Perhaps your teacher has a box on the side that's just asking for notes. So whatever your teacher requests. So I'm just going to put homework help, for example. Click book. Click on OK. And now you should receive an email with a confirmation. If you did receive an email, you will receive information here. You can add it to your Google Calendar by clicking on yes, and it adds it to your Google Calendar. From this email, you could also access the actual meeting with your teacher down here in the link. And you can also go to manage booking if for some reason you can't make your appointment and you need to cancel it or make a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it brings you to this page. And from here, you can reschedule your appointment, you can cancel it entirely, or you can even create a new one if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and go to reschedule because this is the one that we would use the most. And it shows us the original time that we've chosen. So if you want to choose a different one, you can simply choose another one, or choose an entirely different date and choose a different time. And then at the bottom, it shows us our information so we don't have to enter it again, and then we can update the booking. So we hope that was easy to understand. If you have any questions, please feel free to approach your teacher so that they can help you make this appointment. Thank you so much.